Hi, it's Mike Delsignore. I'm outside the Waltham District Court. I want to talk about what happens if you're charged with OUI at the Waltham District Court. This court hears cases from state police, the Waltham Police, and Weston Police Departments. Those police departments are all booking videos too, so keep in mind there'll be a video of how you appeared, and that can be very helpful, both in terms of getting breathalyzer evidence knocked out and in terms of showing that you don't look impaired. It'll allow us to have objective evidence of how you sounded, whether your speech was slurred. So this is very important evidence in your case, and we want to be quick and make sure we act quickly to preserve this evidence. One of the things that's key, when your case starts, you'll enter a not guilty plea, you'll get a copy of the report. One of the important things is let's see what the driving violation is. You know, in cases where there's only a marked lane violation or speeding or something that's ordinary traffic infractions, that makes a very strong case for you to contest at trial. Driving is one of the things I think the jury's put the most weight on. You know, if there's not really erratic or unsafe driving, the jury is that's going to be very important in your favor in terms of showing that you didn't look under the influence of alcohol. Because if you had control of your car and you pull over safely, it's a big point in your favor. Second, we look at the field sobriety test. How did you do? Are there just minor mistakes on these? There's a lot of things that police officers are looking for. It's not always in the police report. Those reports only contain information of what you did wrong. So those reports don't typically document all the things you did right. And I'll point that out to you when I look at your case. I'll show you that officers are looking for 8 different things, in fact, on the 9-step walk and turn. I'll tell you which of those things you did right and how it's likely to come out at trial when I cross-examine the officer, and how they'll acknowledge those points on the witness stand. There's other things too that are sort of not tests, but they're things that the police are trained to look for. How you give your license, registration, how you get out of the car. Those are possible signs of impairment. If you did those things well, it's not going to be anything noted in the report that you did those things right. It's just going to be left out. So I'll let you know what the gaps are in the report, what's missing from the report that I'll use in court to show that you weren't impaired by alcohol. Keep in mind now, it's not illegal to consume alcohol and drive. This is an opinion of the officer, and that opinion is very subjective and it can be challenged. I challenge these every day in court. Be happy to help you with your case. Call me at 781-686-5924. You can text at that number. It's never too late, too early to call. Weekends calls are welcome. I'm here to help.